What is up, you guys? It's December 17th, 2022. So, today's video, I'm going to be doing my test of my system sensor Spectralert Classics. My Classic. So, around 12 in the, so around midnight, so I wired up, so I got it set to sync. System sensor sync. With all these strobes like that would sync together. So this is a 4-wire device. So this is a system sensor P241575. So that has the skirt mounted bracket. So this right here is a multi-candela strobe with the regular mounted bracket. This one is a S1222 MC. I think S stands for like strobe only, and P stands for Hazel. And in the middle, this is my system sensor. Wheelock Wheelock RSS 24 MCW. So right now, it is set to 15 candela. In the back, there's the candela selectings in the back. That's hiding behind the wires. So this is my notifier. FFP, whatever that is, by fire-lite panel. It's a conventional fire-lite panel. So this is my Uphope HC102. That's a spin-off version of the fire-lite BT12. So right now, just gonna set it off. So remember, so when I silence, the strobes will not flash when I put it to silence, because this horn strobe is a 4-wire device, but it does good on 2-wire device. So right now I got a set. So this one's set to 1575 candela. This one is set to 1575 candela with a multi candela strobe only. So these strobes, you would see that like in restrooms or other rooms, like could be like private rooms or meeting rooms or something like that. And then mainly you would see horn strobes, like say for instance, we used to have, you would see that like in schools, but not just schools, sometimes in restaurants, stores. One example, Burlington Coat Factory at the Iron Mile, they used to have one of those. The O'Bannon Gormans, they had one of those. The such as Spectralert Classics. The Sears Theater has those. I know Gladys Burnham Elementary School that's recently closed down since 2012. So they had systems such as Spectralert Classics inside and outside. I'm pretty sure they had a fire-lite system. So right now I'm just gonna test them. Right now it's set to code 3, and the strobes will flash when I pulled the pole station. You would hear the hazel sounding from a panel, and you would see the strobes flashing. So this was fixed 1575. This was set to 15 Gendela, and this was set to 1575. So here we go. This is the test, and you would hear this go off. Ready, set, go. Sounds like a whistle. So so it goes off in code 3. So all the strobes were flashing, they were synchronized, which is pretty cool. So we're now just gonna reset my pole station. You see the light, that's the pole station, that means it's activated. You see the word activated. When I turn off that, the switch goes up. That's how I reset the pole station. So I got a nag fault because I did not put the end of line resistor in. So I got two troubles. Just one, it's the battery that I don't have, and two, it's the nag fault because it doesn't have the end because I did not put an end of line resistor in it. So right now I'm just gonna press the drill button, hold it for 3 seconds, and the alarms will go off and the strobes will sync. That thing's loud. Yeah, so all the strobes sync, which includes the RSS in the middle, the the strobe only, the S12 MC, and the P24 1575. The system sets a Spectralert Classic, so that's a wall mount. And so all these strobes like that was synchronized. So on the 2-wire device, the strobes will be flashing. But with a 4-wire device, it's kind of weird. It's kind of weird because normally the strobes. So what has audible select? I mean the audible silence. It would have the selectable silence, so the strobe would continuously to flash for the 2-wire devices. And for the 4-wire device, it's kind of weird because I've got my NACs all silenced and the strobes are not flashing because this right here is a 4-wire device. 2 terminals for the strobe and 2 terminals for the horn, the hazel. That gives out very loud sounds through this grill right above the strobe. Oh yeah, I forgot it was set on the electromechanical, and the other one was it has continuous and code 3. So the other day, like last night, I had that set to March time. So this panel makes this does March time because I usually had it on. I usually set to March time, but when it's set to March time, sometimes the show doesn't flash when it's in March time. But when it's code 3 and continuous, the shows will flash. So I remember signing that off, and the only show was flashing was the RSS MC, the 24. The wheel RSS MC. So MC stands for canal, multi-canal, and W stands for wall. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a genuine comment. So right now I'm just gonna set off my piano. Oh yeah, it has the and also I'm just going to. So also it has not just electromechanical. It has the 3K the sound that sounds like a smoke detector. So it has that feature too. But so for this video, it was set on code 3, and the panel was set to system sensor sync. The system sensor sync mode. So other than that, it's your boy T Studio X signing out, and I hope you had a great day. And if you like this fire-lite video, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you give it a positive comment. If you like System Sensor Spectralert Classics, which I love System Sensor Spectralert Classics because they sound awesome, and they do. So other than that, it's your boy T Studio X signing out. Peace.